Well, that was embarrassing. I thought I was recording for about 30 seconds and I wasn't. I've done that before, huh? It's still 4:20. Happy 4:20, buddy. Of course, by the time we're watching this, it's been about a week after. Yeah. You want to do some nighttime playtime, buddy? Yeah, it's dark outside now. Let me go ahead and sneak forward and get kind of angry. You want to play badly, don't you? Well, let me just get a toy here we can play with. There we go. Whoa. Whoa! He did a backflip or front flip. Whoa. It's the first time we actually did real playtime today. We did a little bit earlier, but nothing crazy. Nothing on video. No. A little bit with the catnip toy. Doot. Hey. Oh. And outside, took a couple walks. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to knock the wall. You're such a good boy. It's like tangled in his arm. I don't want to pull it too hard. Woo. Oh, making a retreat, huh? Strategic tactical retreat. Boop. Why don't we try playing with this again? We haven't tried this one in a while. He plays with it, I think, while I'm gone. Ooh, the batteries still work. Really? Oh, there we go. Oh. Ooh. You're in a playing mood today, aren't you? Do you remember that horse my brother gave you, a little pony? Oh. What's this? Huh. Interesting. It's a piece of wood. It's probably from one of my ammunition crates. Yeah. Ooh, look what I found. Oh, yeah. Boop. You're not sure what to play with? You have all these toys? Aww. We got this for Christmas. I used to be afraid of it at first because it's kind of noisy. And some people recommend put it on some carpet. Maybe I'll like it more. So we did that. And he seemed to warm up to it. You seem to watch it more than play with it, huh? It's okay. It's like a movie. Yeah. Oh, nice. Get my knee out of the way. Don't want to lose my knee. No. It's super windy today. You hear that wind, buddy? I'm hoping to get some rain next couple days just so we get the morel mushrooms. Yeah, I want to get some big morels. That'll be fun. Huh. As if on cue, I think I hear it raining now. It is raining. Whoa, that was weird, wasn't it? Oh, it's not like it suddenly stopped. We'll check upstairs. We'll look on the deck. We'll be able to tell if it rained or not. That was pretty weird, huh? Wicked. It's raining. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera audio, but it's raining outside. That means tomorrow morning, probably, maybe before I start working, I'll take a quick stroll around the yard and try to get some mushrooms. That would be pretty cool, huh, buddy? You hear the rain hitting the air conditioning unit. There's some big fat mushrooms tomorrow, maybe. That would be very exciting. You're getting tired, buddy? It's getting close to 10 o'clock p.m. Yeah, it's getting almost your bedtime. Almost my bedtime, too. Went to bed too late yesterday, and I didn't get up at a great time. But ready? Boop. Look what I got. Oh, it's the crinkle ball. Try to bounce it off a step. So weird weather. Yeah, it's a weird weather over here, huh? Ooh, here we go. Yikes. Whoa. He's got quite the grip. Look at his little hand. Whoa. Won't reach for that hand paw. I made that mistake before. Look how fast he is. Whoa. It is nice not having to drive to work every day. I didn't even leave the house. Well, I'd take that back. I walked to the mailbox. And I walked around my woods, but I did not leave private property today. Ooh. Whoa, look at that scary paw. Whoa. You done in there, buddy? Whoa. You just destroyed the bathroom again. Some crazy medibles today, huh? Just teasing. Boop. Oh no, it's jumping on the door. Oh, it's on the trim. Oh no, it's on the railing. It's on the hinge. It's on the kitty door from a previous cat, I'm guessing. Previous homeowner said there have never been cats here. I'm like, oh really? Okay. Well, what is that? And not to mention old cat toys I found before that were not yours. Yeah, unless Cinnabon's having a friend. Maybe Cinnabon had a carpenter kitty over who did that, huh? Just teasing. Is that thunder? Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to hit your face like that. I'm very sorry about that. Oh, is it okay? Is it okay? Sure. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. He tried to do a somersault, but my hand was in the way. Bunny kicks. Whoa. It's interesting weather. I sleep like a baby during storms, though. Especially when Cinnabon's around to keep me safe. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. You just anticipate it right there? Oh, yikes. Yikes. Oh, no. Oh. Yeah. Watch him emerge shortly. Where'd Cinnabon go? Hey. He'll leave a little bit from under the door so he can still get it. Otherwise, it's kind of unfair, huh, buddy? What's going on? You're getting scared. Is this storm scaring you? Want me to go look at it with you? Okay. Super dark. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's raining. Or it was. You don't want to go out there, buddy. No. It's nasty weather. Plus, it's almost 10 o'clock. You don't want to go out there. It's nasty. Windy, cold, yeah, rainy. No fun. I think it's time for bed, okay? Alright, well, thank you everybody for watching once again. Be safe out there and have yourself a nice night. Bye-bye.